Have you ever yawned just because someone else did? You're not lazy. It's actually your brain showing empathy. Yawning is contagious because of a part of the brain called the mirror neuron system. It activates when you see someone else doing something, like smiling, laughing, or yawning. It helps you feel what they feel. In ancient times, yawning was a way for groups to sync their alertness. If one person got tired, everyone else followed, keeping the tribe's sleep patterns balanced. What's crazier is that yawning contagion is stronger between close friends or family members. Proof that empathy and connection make it spread. So, next time someone yawns, don't fight it. Your brain is just showing it cares.